Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and it's gonna be a first aid kit box. Now, I made one a year ago and you can tell it broke, and this container was on the dollar store and it actually had a lid, but the lid actually came off and it broke. So I went online and I researched an affordable medium size box and I found this one. Now, I bought this at Amazon. You can also order it at Walmart. It was $10. So I thought that was a good price for everybody. It was affordable. It wasn't too cheap or too expensive. And I'm so happy I did. I really love the box. It's durable, it's sturdy, and it's really good for a little box to carry your first aid supplies. And it's not so big. It's an 8 by 10. So that's not bad. Now for $10, I thought that was affordable, and look at how durable it is. And I'm so happy that the top is clear so you can see inside. And it has different instructions on how to make the little pockets bigger, smaller. You can make them any size you want, which I thought was perfect. So I just put those to the side because I end up keeping the box just like it is, and it actually, I'm in love with it. So this box is great for a Father's Day gift. If you want to go ahead and give your husband a first aid kit, I'm sure they're going to love it. They could put it in the back of their car. They could use it in their home, in their workplace. And now the sticker came out super fast, so I'm really happy I did not have to deal with that, because usually you have to like remove the sticker and go through a lot of stuff through the process. But it came out super fast, and it's perfect because you can also see your supplies. You can use this box for anything. But I thought it would make a great Father's Day gift, a first aid kit. And I'm making this for my husband's car, so I'm sure he's going to love it. And I'm going to add a little something right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with some stuff that I think he would need if he was on the road, if he got injured, if he has a headache. Just a couple of goodies in there just to make sure. The first one I added was hydrogen peroxide. I picked this travel size one at the Dollar Tree. You can also pick up your supplies at Walmart or order it on Amazon. It's optional. It's really up to you. But let me tell you, it's very helpful, and I think everyone should have one. The next thing I picked up were these gloves, just in case. I picked this up at Walmart. You get a pair of 10 gloves, which is pretty good. So all I'm doing is organizing stuff. You can organize it however you want, just so everybody could see how I made my husband's first aid kit. And I'm happy I did a new video because this box, let me tell you, it's fabulous. The next thing I picked up were these bandages. You can buy them at the Dollar Tree. You can get a pack of 30 or a pack of 80. Now the 30 ones are the same size and they're just the solid regular ones, and the 80 come in 3 different sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and add both of them, because the whole point of this is to have bandages when you need them. And then look at how you get a ton of them. Let me tell you, for $1. I'm just going to add those right there. And I'm also going to add the pack of 80. I'm really happy that it comes in different sizes, because you never know. Sometimes your cut is big. Sometimes it's just a scrape. But it's good to put a bandage on it. So I'm going to go ahead and add all the little ones in the front, which was perfect for the little pocket. Let me tell you, they fit there perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the big ones and add those with the rest of the bandages. Now you can buy your bandage any size you want. They also have the little kid ones with the drawings on there. You can also add those if you want, if you have little ones. And look at the mini ones. They're perfect. So there's a perfect bandage for any cut, which is good to have in your first aid kit. It's the most important thing you need to add in there are bandages. So make sure you have them. And I'm just going to go ahead and move everything around so it's nice and organized. And just add everything. And look at how perfect it. I like this box, I'm telling you. Look at how perfect that was. That fit in there just perfect. So make sure you add all your bandages. If you have any lying around your house or any in your purse, just go ahead and add them in your first aid kit. It's going to be very helpful. Let me tell you, when you need it, it's going to be right there. So you could put your first aid kit anywhere you want. The next thing I'm adding are these cotton swabs, which you guys did not end up fitting, but I did add them in a little clear Ziploc bag, those little snack size ones, and then I added them to the box. So go ahead and do that, because it's not going to fit. It's not going to let the lid close because of the size. Now I found more bandages, and look at how many I found around my house. So I decided just to add them there. So I know I have them in one place. So when I do need them, I can find them easily. The next thing is very important. It's Neosporin. Now you always need an ointment when you cut yourself, anything, just to make sure that it's nice and clean. Now this is a couple of examples of Neosporin that I picked up, and then you can also buy them in individual packages like this and then just throw it away. So you can use the tube or the individual packages, but it's super important to have it. When you cut yourself, you have to make sure you clean the wound and then put your Band-Aid. I bought this tape. It's like a gauze tape, just in case you need to put it around your finger if you cut yourself and you still have to keep working. This is very good to put around there after you've added your bandage. It kind of sticks together and it holds like a glue, so the bandage does not move. So I bought that at the Dollar Tree. The next thing I brought, just a regular gauze. Now this is the big size. If something hurts, you can put this around your arm, around your ankle. It's always good to have one. If it fits, it's up to you, because you also have the little gauze, so it doesn't matter. The next thing I bought at the dollar store was a thermometer. I thought this was very good, especially since I have little kids, to carry one of these inside the first aid kit, because you never know when a little child is feeling bad. It might be that they're just getting sick or they have a temperature. You can go ahead and check that out. I tested the thermometer there. It actually works very good from the dollar store. So don't be scared just because it's from there that it's not going to work. It actually worked very well. The next thing I put is a pair of scissors. Now you should always carry a pair of scissors around, especially a small size, because you never know when you might need them. They're super important to cut supplies, to cut through anything. You can also add some floss. You can add a hand sanitizer or a mini mouthwash. It's really optional. Just little things that you know that you will need, that your husband will need, that whoever you're giving your first aid kit to will need. Now I added some ibuprofen. You can also pick this up at the Dollar Tree. It's a must. You should always have some pills there in case you're getting a headache. You can also carry aspirin. It's really up to you. The next thing I'm adding is this nail filer and cutter, trimmer, eyebrow pluckers, and this little wooden pencil. Now the whole case did not fit, and I really wanted the nail cutter in there because you never know when you might need one. So just go ahead and open it and just add it in the container. See how it won't close. And that's how I found out it won't close, because of the cotton swabs. So just go ahead and take them out. If it doesn't close, don't make it fit. Go ahead and just pull out whatever you need to take out and readjust everything and make sure that it fits just how you like it. Take away what is not important and put what is important in there. It's really up to you. Move everything around. That's what I'm doing basically. I'm moving everything around. And just make sure that it closes. See how it just doesn't close. So just go ahead and move everything around. It's really up to you. Make sure you have everything nice and organized. Just keep what's important, like I said. That's exactly what I'm doing. Just readjusting everything just to make it fit. And if it doesn't fit, then sorry. See how I'm just going to take it out and put it there. Now, make sure, if you haven't, subscribe to my channel so you can see other videos. Make sure you comment down below if you have any tips you want me to know about. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's DIY with Susie. I'll follow you back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here from the beginning, like a ton of you, thank you. You know, I just want to say I really appreciate it. And yeah, just thank you for always supporting me. Now see, all you have to do is rearrange stuff. If it fits, great. If it doesn't, great. And if it doesn't, well, just pull it out. It's really optional. When you order this box, let me tell you, it came fast with the Amazon Prime. I have the Amazon Prime. I don't know if anybody else does, but it came fast. So the good thing about this box is you can buy it bigger. If you really need it bigger, go ahead and order it. They come in different sizes and they come in different prices. But I thought this was a great size and a great price because it was only $10. And I thought it wasn't too bad since the box is sturdy. It closes very well. And let me tell you, we've been carrying it around and I love it. So go ahead and make your own. And look at how beautiful it just closes. It locks on the side and it locks on the front. And see, you can just carry it wherever you need it and nothing moves. That's what I love about the box. It really locks and holds everything in place and nothing moves. Look at. And this is my first aid kit box and I love it. And then just close it and it locks super fast. And I really love that about this box. Now, the next step is I'm going to go ahead and write in this box. I picked up these cute letters at the Dollar Tree. You get two of them, 2 sheets for $1. So I'm going to go ahead and use the red ones. I thought that would be appropriate for this video and how fun. Now you can write whatever you want on there. You can write the person's name that you're giving it to. You can write if it's for a birthday gift, their birthday. You can write Happy Father's Day. You can write a little message like I love you. Stay healthy. You can also write a ton of things, their last name. But the thing I'm gonna write is first aid kit. I'm gonna go ahead and write it on the box. And all I'm gonna do is press in the numbers and it actually holds very well. Just make sure when you're writing the letters that you press on it. If not, it kind of pops up. Just go ahead and give it a good press with your fingers just so the writing won't pop up. But I'm writing first aid kit. Now you can go ahead and add a little cross if you have one. I think that would be so much fun. I did not find one at the Dollar Tree, so I didn't add a little red cross. But if you do, go ahead and do it and show me just so I can see how it came out. I would love to see what you wrote on your box, if you gave it to somebody, if it was a birthday gift, if it was for Father's Day, if it was for your sister, for your aunt. I would love to see that, of course. So go ahead and send me that email. You can go ahead and email me. I'll write my email down below. But look at how beautiful it came out. It says first aid kit. And it's exactly how I wanted it. And I'm going to go ahead and just give it to the person that I made it for. And it's that simple. I'm telling you, it's that simple. And I love it. It came out gorgeous. Now you can go ahead and put it wherever you're going to put it. Let me give you a quick close-up just so you can see one last time how it came out and it looks on the inside. And I'm really happy with it, with the final product. And there you go. You have all the stuff you need in case of an emergency. You know, you're ready for a trip anywhere you take it. I hope you guys make one. And until next time, bye you guys.